Pros and cons of using Copyleaks in 2025. Copyleaks pros include 1. Ease of use. The platform is intuitive, user-friendly, and easy to integrate with other tools like learning management systems, LMS, making setup and navigation straightforward. 2. Speed and efficiency. Users report fast scanning, and quick results, allowing for efficient checks of documents. 3. Comprehensive plagiarism detection. It accurately detects plagiarism by comparing content against vast online and academic databases in multiple languages. 4. Strong LMS integration. It integrates well with popular academic platforms like D2L, Brightspace for streamlined assignment workflows. Now let's go to the cons. Everything that has advantages has its disadvantages. So, one disadvantages is 1. Costs. For frequent users, especially students or small businesses, the cost can be a significant drawback. 2. AI detection accuracy. While it has AI detection capabilities, it can sometimes be inaccurate, mislabeling common phrases or unintentional similarities as AI generated. Some reports indicated it might be outperformed by competitors in overall accuracy and false positive rates. 3. Stability and bug issues. Some users have reported the tool can be unstable and contain bugs, leading to a poor user experience. And lastly, scalability problems. The platform may experience slower processing times and delays during peak usage hours. And those are the pros and cons of using Copyleaks in 2025.